Hi, welcome to the world of organizing with Bonnie B, where anything is possible. I am so excited. We're going to start with your glassware today. I know they look beautiful. I see stuff that I already like. I love the bling, so we're definitely going to keep that. Which are the glasses that you love and it's a must keep? Which glasses you're like, I don't know, I can't decide, and then I will help her decide whether to keep, recycle, or donate with the boxes that we have here. And also I have a beautiful storage case that I have for you that I'm going to gift you so that you could put some of the glassware that you only use like for special occasions, and then we could put them away downstairs in the basement. So what do you think?
I love this idea.
Do I need to hold your hand?
Hold my hand. You can hold
my
my hand.
Are you ready for this process?
I'm ready.
All right guys, we're going to show you how we do this.
Put away now.
So she did give me a little bit of a hard time on trying to get rid of some of the items, but let me show you the finished product. I am so excited. Viv, you did so good. Thank you for playing with me. We played, we had fun. She cried, she begged to keep all of her items, but no, I'm just kidding. She was really good. But I wanted to show the beautiful bling here, these glasses that are gorgeous. We purged, especially up here on the third shelf, so it's more clear, more spacious. If she wants to bring in one or two things, no kidding, whatever she wants to bring, whatever she wants to bring in, it's more clear. She sees what she has. She's going to be able to just pull out the glasses when you're hosting a party, having a gathering, and things are going to go back in easier because now everything has a home where it belongs. Well, I hope you liked it. I hope you liked it.
I really am so grateful because I feel like I can see everything as opposed to it being a complete mess, and I feel like I can think a little bit better. So I'm really thankful that you helped me organize my space.
I did my job. So job well done. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining us in this little adventure. And until next time, happy organizing. Hope you enjoyed all the tips. Till next time, happy organizing.